Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add titles and tags to your listings on Etsy, so let's get right into it. I'm currently at the edit listing screen. However, this is through the setup for the shop manager. I'm not sure if it looks a bit different through the shop manager itself, but I'm just in this step of setting up because I can't continue with it because I don't have any bank information to give them, because this is just a test account. But pretty much what you can do is you can add a title right over here. It's at the very top. You need to include keywords that buyers would use to search for this item. You have 140 characters. I would recommend you use as much of this as possible. However, make sure to add the most important words so that your items position better in searches on Etsy, Google, or whichever search engine there is. Now, of course, you should make good use of these keywords because they are directly tied to SEO, and try to use as few words as possible. For example, avoid words such as for or any connecting words that aren't of critical importance to the title, and make sure that anything that people might use to search for your item is in the title as best as you can. Other than that, for tags, you can go down into tags and attributes, and I do recommend you add at as many tags as you can. You have up to 13 tags that you can add, and I do recommend you use all 13 tags as best as you can. You have a character limit of 20 per tag, so make sure you use multiple word phrases. For example, if you're selling t-shirts that you print yourself, you can add tags such as homemade t-shirts, custom printed, or custom prints, custom printed t-shirts, etc., etc., and pretty much you get the point. Use all 13 tags. This will pretty much serve the same purpose as the title, where it'll position better in searches on Google, on Etsy, on DuckDuckGo, or whichever search engines are there, Bing even. And yeah, that is pretty much it. You can do both of these through the actual product or listing editing screen, and that is pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.